Have you ever wondered why a narcissist would discard someone who seems to be the perfect partner, friend, or colleague? It doesn't seem to make sense, right? Well, today, we're going to dive deep into the psychology behind why narcissists discard even the best supply. And trust me, the answer will surprise you. Welcome to my channel, where we explore the complexities of human behavior and relationships. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an insightful video like this one. Narcissists are known for their manipulative and self-centered nature. But what happens when they push away someone who has been nothing but good to them? Let's break it down together. First, let's clarify what supply means in the context of narcissism. Narcissistic supply refers to the attention, admiration, and validation that a narcissist gets from those around them. This is their emotional fuel, and they constantly seek it to maintain their fragile sense of self-worth. Now, you might think that a narcissist would want to hold on to a good supply as long as possible. Someone who is loyal, caring, supportive, and perhaps even highly accomplished. Why would they let that go? Well, here are the top reasons they get bored. Narcissists thrive on novelty and excitement. At first, you might have been an exciting new source of validation, but over time they begin to crave something different. Predictability and stability, which healthy people value in relationships, can feel suffocating to them. You start to see through them. In the beginning, a narcissist presents their best self, charming, engaging, and charismatic. But as time goes on, cracks in the facade begin to show. If you start questioning their behavior or no longer feed their ego blindly, they see you as a threat. They fear rejection. First, ironically, narcissists are deeply insecure. If they sense that you might leave or that their manipulation isn't working as well anymore, they often discard you first to maintain the illusion of control. In their mind, it's better to abandon you before you abandon them. You stop providing the same level of supply. Narcissists are addicted to admiration. If they feel like your attention isn't as strong as before, maybe because you've become drained or disillusioned, they may start looking for a new source who can offer them a fresh boost. They've found a new source. Narcissists always have backup plans. The moment they sense someone else could provide them with more admiration, attention, or excitement, they will quickly shift their focus and discard the old supply without a second thought. They want to punish you. Sometimes, discarding isn't about losing interest, it's about power. If they feel like you've challenged them, embarrassed them, or refused to comply with their demands, they may discard you as a form of punishment, making you feel worthless and desperate to regain their approval. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced a sudden discard from a narcissist? How did you handle it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because your experience could help someone else going through the same thing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need to hear this. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more deep dives into human behavior, relationships, and mental health topics. Thanks for watching, and remember, you deserve relationships that uplift and empower you. See you in the next video.